Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be unboxing with a short review and a little demonstration of this RYOBI Hand Planer HP 650. Opening the box, here we have the dust collector, user manual, the guide and tools to change the blade. Here, these are the tools to change the blade. Here we have the actual planer. Quality is not bad for the price you pay for it. That was the blade. There's the dust chute. Having a look at the model number. Overall, the weight of the product is actually fairly light. Here we have the adjustment knob for the height of the actual planing that you want to do into your types of wood. The maximum goes into 2 mils. There you can see the height level adjusting. Alright, so now let's do a quick little demo on this product. Okay, first to start off, here we are placing in the guard to hold against the wood. Very straightforward. Place it through the slot and tighten with the screw. Bringing the unit into a badly chipped cut of wood. I must say it glided through, no issues. The smooth was cut and the dust collection was impressive. Very minimal dust, which I was quite happy with, as you know that I work on my patio half the time. And there you have it guys, the RYOBI Hand Planer HP 650. I would recommend getting it if you're looking for an inexpensive hand planer. There are cordless ones on the market. If you're looking for cordless, I'm pretty sure they're the same. I'll try to get my hands on one and do a short review as well for you guys. Cool, thanks for watching guys, have a good one.